Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to change alarm sound in your phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G. First of all, go to the clock icon in your phone and then go to the particular alarm for which you would like to change alarm sound, and here select alarm sound and click on ringtone and change any tone. Here you can change to any tone, or if you have any music file, just click on this plus symbol and you can add music file. Okay, unfortunately I don't have anything, and here I would like to select this is as uh, uh, this is as alarm sound as of now. So in this way you can easily change any alarm tone. Okay, you can fix any alarm tone, okay, from current tone to new tone. Okay, click on save. Finally, yes, alarm sound has been changed. In this way you can easily do it. That's all friends, thanks for watching. Bye.